How to watch the YouTube videos that are blocked in your country. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch the YouTube videos that are blocked in your country. So whenever you open your YouTube and try to open the video that you want to see, but the certain video is blocked in your country, then how do you solve it is you can also change your location by using your Google map. And the next option, if you find it hard, is you can also use the VPN to change your current location. And after changing the location, you can simply watch any YouTube videos. To install the VPN, you can simply use the Google Play Store or App Store. On the top search bar, just search for VPN. So after installing any kind of VPN, just go on the server and tap on the power button, which is shown on the middle right here, and then it will change your location. Like, you can choose any location and change it. I have installed this VPN right here, so it will also change my location, and then I can simply watch any videos on YouTube without being blocked. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.